So next up, we've got the straight arm pec fly, which is slightly different to the common for curl because we're going to keep our arms straight the entire time, and there's a few subtle differences. So starting with some super light dumbbells locked out above your chest, we're going to come down with straight arms down around about our ear or chin height, depending on where you want to feel the stretch more, so you can play around with that. And now what we want to do is when we get down here, we're going to slightly open up our palm, make it more of a supinated position, knowing that the pec inserts on the front of the humerus. By rotating the arms up a little bit more, we're going to get a few more degrees of stretch, and that's going to really help us open up that anterior side. So we can either hang down in the bottom position for 20, 30, 40 seconds, or we can actually start to do maybe 10 reps. So accumulate some time under tension, either by doing reps or doing iso holds, or a combination of both. Whatever's going to allow you to produce more strength through a larger range of motion.